That's 75 lakhs. So immediately they can get 15 lakh more. This way we are coming up this again one more scheme. One more scheme is the repayment obligation. There are many repayment we have done. There are NP accounts. We have gone for the OTS or compromise or many things we have done. But because of this problem, we are giving across the board 3 months more time. If they have to repay in the 6 months, now we are giving the 9 months. In this way, State Bank of India coming in. Next. I am elaborating the COVID-19 emergency credit line (CCL). I am just discussing this. This is a 24-month line of credit where you can loan can be sanctioned up to 36/2020 and can be disbursed up to 31st July. Temporary liquidity mismatch. In this loan, the rate of interest is 7.25% and loan amount, whatever the fund-based limit, we can give 10% immediately. All standard accounts which are not SMA2, we can give the repayment in the 18-month installment and 6-month moratorium. That means if you take a loan from today, from October onwards, after October, when you will start, you have to start again. Because rate of interest is low, your EMI is very low. Next. And no new collateral you have to give. Whatever the existing collateral, whatever the existing security, it's applied in this. Next is the easing of the working capital financing under RBI COVID-19. This scheme, what are other than COVID-19, working capital, if there is a problem and an account is not an SMA2 category, then EDFS I already elaborated, where we can give the more time to repay the banks. 90 days, even up to 90 days, we are giving the more time. Suppose earlier you have to give in the 90 days, now you can pay in the 180 days. Yeah, and the same way, in the loan up to we can reassessment of all the limits. Normally for the stock statement, when you submit the bank, we cut 25% margin, and if your stock value is 100 lakhs, then you will get 75 lakh loan. But now, case to case basis, where stress is there, genuine is there, we can reduce margin even up to 10%. That means you can get the loan up to 90 lakhs. This type of this is also applicable to receivable also. So this is a unique favor care bank is giving to all the customers, so they come up with the not even the existing stock, existing collateral, they get the exemption. In case of they are limited more than 50 crore, cash-based budget method. They can also reassessment. They can come up the revised projection to the bank. We can revisit their loan limits and give them more. And also where the LCBG limit is there, where the non-fund based limits is there, and fund based also there, and now it doesn't require non-fund based. We can immediately change their non-fund based to fund based, so that they can also get a limit. So this way we are coming up with the many things. Although next slide, I am just touching what are the State Bank of India existing. These are I am discussing the what are the coming with one of more thing, the restructuring of the loan. I'm already elaborated, is very important for the already stress account. Please also avail this restructuring. State Bank of India many things. Once I am not elaborating these things because these are for the new customers. We have the what are the existing products we have. We have the trades program. We have the CRM platform. We have fleet financing. We have the tie-up with the Flipkart or Amazon. We have trip financing. We have so many things that. So I will not elaborate these things. Now it is up to I think it's okay for the question answer session. I think next. Yeah, we have also one CLP products there where they ask the question. Yeah, so we can start the question answer session.
The floor is open now. Can we take any questions? Request to the participants, please unmute your mic, talk, and then again mute your mic, please. Please,
sir. Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yeah, this is Basavaredi from Hubli.
Okay.
See, I am planning for startup. How much loan I can avail, sir, without any collateral?
You without collateral, you can go up to 2 crore. CGTS
Sir, be slow. I am not hearing.
2 crore rupees you can get.
Without collateral, sir?
Without collateral.
Okay. In Hubli, all the branches, is there any special branches to offer?
where we have our SME branch.
SME branch Hubli on Station Road, and one more branch Gokul Road branch, SME Gokul Road.
SME branch, Station Road, Hubli, sir.
Yeah, one is Station Road Hubli, another is in Gokul Road.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you, sir. What will be the interest rate for this startup? Hello. What will be the interest rate for this unsecured loan? Hello.
I forgot that goal.
Mr. Basura, you have asked the right question. You can go and
Hello.
you will get that.
Okay, right, sir.
So there is a question. There is a question from Mr. Dr. Sundaramurthy. In rural branches, all officers are busy handling accounts. Many times it takes a lot of time to meet the manager or officer. Maybe some planning of operation required to handle SME accounts. Your suggestion, sir.
So what we have done is, because they are covering the first part, we have 43 SME branch across the circuit, covering almost all the area. These branches are only doing the SME thing. They are specialized people are there. They can approach these branches. Because of that, we have suggested only 2 branches. Although Hubli, we have more than 50-60 branches. We are only suggested because they are SME branch, they are doing only SME. But the rural SME branch, they have opened up 80 branches. We have 80 processing centers there. We are doing only the process. There we call the RSCC. You can contact them, and branches, there no need to go to the branches. Only these centers can help them out for the SME.
There is a question from Mr. Subramaniam, sir. We are unable to compute the stock statement as we are not in office since March 23rd due to date in 20th April. Request you to give us time up to 15th May. There is another parallel question. For LCs maturing from PMT in April, payment in April, we are unable to pay as there is no cash inflows since a month. Request SBI to give term loan to pay for LCs with 12 months repayment.
We can give a 24-month repayment. Whatever their working capital limits with us, we can give CECL. I am just elaborating COVID standard line of credit. If they have 1 crore limit, then they can easily get 10 lakh.
About the stock statement?
The stock statement, actually RBI has not come up with this. We are taking up the RBI for relaxation. For RBI, because the schedule thing there, we have to take the RBI. We have already taken up the RBI. Not right now. We have no thing there, but we are shortly. And within 90 days, account not become. If you have submitted your stock exchange up to February, it will come up to 31st May. Account will not become that.
Good afternoon, sir.
Please go ahead.
I am Ignesh from Laghu Udyog Bharati. We have been a customer of SBI since 20 years.
Good.
At present, because of this COVID issue, our working capital facility is not becoming enough because of the liquidity issues, sir. We want immediately additional working capital facilities, sir. What is the procedure to be carried out?
Yeah, what I already told you is 10% you can get immediately.
No.
The branches, whatever the account in the branch, just tell them there might be a problem, just call me and just approach the branch, and they will give you 10%. We have given you already issued the instruction to branches. Already more than 300 customers avail this. 10% you can get easily. In other than that, I have elaborated so many issues.
No.
The limits are there, but reassessment maybe take 7 to 10 days. But this CCL you can give it take within 1 or 2 days.
If we are requiring more than 10%, what is the procedure to be carried out?
For more than 10, we can give. In that case, your limit will be reassessed.
Yes, sir.
Limit reduces that, we can reduce your margin. We give your LCBG limit, we can also reduce their margin so that you can get a more money.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
So there is a question from Mr. Prateep Krishnan. He is having a CC account with SBI. I have requested a 10% increase of CC limit. My branch has forwarded the same to SBI main branch. I would like to know the process time for release of CC limit. increase?
Just give me the in offline. Give me the detail because as per our within not more than 48 hours we have to sanction the limits. So within 48 hours your limit sanction is CCL. If problem is there, just send the detail to us. We will instruct the branch manager to sanction the.
And there's the same question. One more question, sir. What's the approximate time taken by SBI to clear loans at this urgent situation?
This is a 48 hour. 48 hour with the CCL limit.
Only thing is one request letter you have to give. If it is a corporate, you have to give a resolution. Along with that, there is an undertaking.
And Mr. P. Ramesh is asking, sir, how to do bill discounting for non-LCs?
Yes.
So there's a question from Mr. Ramesh P.
Discounting if it is a non-LC of the major PSUs, government department or MNC, with bigger MNC or industry major, we can give the limit to them. So they have to approve the existing branch and paper required, very minimum paper required, or the bill details or all this. We can give the sanction.
Sir, what is your advice on the e-threads being used by the customer? Because it is a mandatory, as you know that it is mandatory as per the RBI, the vendor, the customer who is holding more than 500 crores turnover, the registering with the e-threads is mandatory, but most of the customers are not registering. What's your suggestion on that?
They have the government instruction, they have to follow these instructions. There is no problem for us. If you give the e-trades, so we can also discount the bill in e-trades. But we have also separate limits for LCBG. If there are problems for registration, we can also give the limit for the non-LCBs.
Okay, thank you.
And Mr. Madhav Paste is asking, sir, can we transfer the existing loan from other bank to SBI?
Yeah.
We can do takeover. We can do for that. You have to submit a latest balance sheet, latest papers, and we can analyze that, and we can take over the loans.
Sir, how long will it take, sir, for takeover of loan from other bank to SBI in current situation?
It takes because size of the loan actually.
Sir, currently I am having 1 crore with OD with Karnataka Bank with collateral. So can I take 3 crores from SBI with the same collateral?
Please give me the name and address. Our people will approach you. And within 15 days, we will see that all things are correct. We will take over.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. How can I give you the details, sir?
Good afternoon, sir.
ID and please.
Hello, good afternoon.
Wait, Mr. Suresh, please wait.
DGM.
Sir, 1 second, sir. Yeah, DGM.
SME.
SME.
Dot. LHO. BAN. At the rate of SBI.
At the rate of SBI.
.co.in.
Sir, I repeat, dgmsme.lhoban at sbi.co.in.
We will also share you, sir. Don't worry. We'll share you the email.
Yeah, sure, sir. Thanks.
Mr. Girish Gumaste is asking, sir, what is the interest rate for the extra limit offered?
7.25%.
Yeah, Mr. Suresh, please go ahead.
Okay. Good afternoon, sir. I am Karnataka State Student Association. At the very outset, I thank State Bank of India for. Hello, sir. I wanted to request SBI to set up one helpline for MSME borrowers, those who cannot get it from the branch due to various problem. So they can approach the helpline people. So I want the SBI to set up a helpline for Karnataka State MSME borrowers. That's the one. And second thing is that these exporters are really into problem, and we wanted a more transparent policy for exporters. And apart from that, there's micro people require more kind of a soft loan instead of a loan as such. It is a soft loan for a temporary period. Thank you.
For this helpline, although actually it will require infrastructure, so it may take time, but we are open with the LHO. We are, all the people are there. We are giving them phone number, our email address. We are also specialized branches across the state. They will help you. But in the second case, the export finance, we already have told you RBI has allowed 6 months ka jo tha, now they have given up to 15 months. And also we can give the CECL loan for them. And for the micro loans, we have one product, e-Mudra, up to 50,000. Where they with the saving bank current account with the State Bank of India, they can avail this e-Mudra. It's only online digital products.
So there is a question from Mr. K.N. Prasanna. MSMEs are facing slowdown for the past 12 months. COVID-19 and its after effect will hinder the MSMEs for the next 12 to 24 months. Other than the 10% extra limit, any other support is expected, sir?
See, I have already elaborated. Many of things we can reassess their limits. We can reduce their margin. We can also, if their area is there, then we can reduce, give it by reducing the margin 50% we can give also interchangeability we can give. So many things are there.
There's a question from Mr. Srinivasan. The 10% extra limit on CC, will it be operable on net banking or you have to go to home branch for clearance every time?
LHO EAN.
As a demand loan for 24 months, it can be released in 3 max up to 31st July 2020. Okay, it will be created. You can get it released and create it to your CC account. From there, you can use your
online banking. You can manage credit in your CC account.
Mr. T.P. Mohan is asking, sir, we have been enhanced to CC limit in the month of January 2020. Now, is there any possibility to enhance CC limit again due to this situation?
Yes, we can reassess their limits. Please approach the branches or also give me details. We tell the branch their limits can be reassessed.
And there is a question of home loan, sir. Can the home loan be shifted to other banks from other bank to SBI?
Yes, we can do. Plus, give me the details. Our people will approach. Please give me the name or mobile number. So we can also approach.
Sir, on a related question, are you offering a loan for the BCAT also?
Or?
No, we are not offering loans for BCAT.
Okay.
Sir, regarding this shifting of home loan from other bank to SBI, is there any benefit to the customer in the reduced interest rate like that?
See, we have our own very simple procedures. We need to look at your income statement and your KYC. Based on these two, the same conditions apply for sanction of a loan. And of course, your track record in the other bank.
No, okay, that is not a question, sir. My question is there any benefits in shifting? Is there any interest concession for such shifting of loan?
No.
No, same, whatever the interest loan is there, it will be applying.
Information, the interest rate of SBI is one of the lowest in the market at present.
Yes,
Further, therefore, we do not see any justification in giving a concession.
Okay.
Our rates are already the lowest.
Okay, okay, right. Thank you.
So there is a macroeconomic question from Swati Dhar about NPA, sir. These unsecured loans up to 2 crore may likely increase the number of NPAs. What is your suggestion to take on this problem?
Likelihood to they have to run the unit if they are short term.
See, basically, for your information, State Bank of India is not deciding the policy. Okay. Based on the RBI guidelines, our board will approve a particular product. NPA and other things are decided by Reserve Bank of India, and as a regulated entity of Reserve Bank of India, we have to adhere to those guidelines. Beyond that, I don't think it is proper for us to comment.
Okay. A similar question, sir, from Mr. Girish. Please clarify on NPA classification during this lockdown period. If the EMI of December 19 supposed to be paid before 25th of March, will this account to be considered as NPA?
If RBI has given a window for 1st March to between 1st March to 31st May, the account will not be. There is installment or interest during this period.
So there is another question. My understanding from your reply that the 10% on CC limit is considered as term loan and the same to be paid within 24 months with interest rate of 7.25%.
Yes, yes. And they have to installment start from after 6 months. 6 month moratorium is there.
So it is like this: 18 equal monthly installments, and interest has to be paid as and when after at the month end it has to be.
And how much time will it take to reassess the CC account if we apply now? What are all the documents we need to submit?
Not much document because they 7 days. 7 days.
Yeah, CMA you have to submit revised CMA based on the prevailing condition. Based on that, we will reassess the limits and get you the size.
There's a question from Aditi Ravi. I am into manufacturing and have availed working capital and term loan from other banks. Now, if I apply for takeover, if I get the benefit of subsidy on capital, I don't have to have it now in the bank.
So CD process that the government department is there. What are their processes? They have to adopt that process. Actually, the subsidy is not in the commercial banks position, but banks.
Just give us a minute. Every question, note the name and the mobile. वो बहुत जरूरी है. Otherwise, ये exercise होगा तो सब भूल जाओगे. Before every question that they are asking, first note the name and the mobile. तो सबसे contact करना जरूरी है.
Please give me your.
Just a minute. See, I just made a brief appearance because I was I'm Majumdar, I think known to some of the office bearers of Laghu Jog Bharti. So, in fact, you are being people attending from our side, State Bank of India side. It's Mr. Goel and his team, right? And he has already, I think, made known the mail ID. Because in SME, it is not like just a phone call, the entire matter can be treated. So kindly tell all your people who are participating, feel free to raise any questions through the email. The email itself will be treated as a helpline. They will all be promptly replied to. And please take advantage of this. Please understand State Bank of India is fully with you in this crisis, and we will try our best to help you out in any way we can. Thank you. We will proceed with the question.
Yeah. There is a question from Mr. Mohan sir.
Mohan sir, can you give me the mobile number also? It's beneficial for us. You are wanted to take over from other banker. Give you a mobile number or contact number so that we can approach you and our people will approach you.
Sir, myself Vadi Raj, can I give you my number, sir?
You can give. Whatever.
Yeah. 99800
998
00 56009.
56009. You are
Vadi Raj. I have 1 crore OD from Karnataka Bank. Jalalli, Bangalore. Bangalore.
Thank you. Tell me.
Good afternoon. My name is Mohan.
More questions there for takeover. You give me the paper. We will do the due diligence. And within 15 days, we will come up to you and a formality will be finished and give that overnight.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Which area?
Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, Ravi Prakash from Super PAC. We have an account in a cooperative bank. We want to move into SBI. So we already have the CC and the term loan facility there. We want the takeover to happen, sir.
Very good. Naveen ji, can you share your mobile number to me?
99450
450
10731.
So can you repeat that?
99450 10731.
You are placed with Bangalore or outside the Bangalore?
Bangalore, sir. It is based in Bangalore.
Okay. Again, same earlier your question is there. We will approach you. We will collect the papers and do our due diligence. And if you come our scheme, we will 15 days. We will give you the.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
The floor is open now. Please go ahead and ask the questions.
My name is Mohan. I was asking for that interest on CC.
You are an existing customer of State Bank of India. Mohan ji.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yeah, Mr. Meher, go on, please go ahead.
Yeah, this is Basavarati from Hooper. Shall I?
Asking now, Basavarati ji. Who's there? Basavarati ji or Mohan ji?
Yes, sir. Basavarati, sir. Basavarati.
Yeah, please go ask the question.
Yeah, can you connect me local official, sir? If you know, connect me, they will support us. Otherwise, they may not. So can you?
Which area you belong? Tell me.
Hubli.
Hubli, we will connect. What is your problem? Just tell me.
No, I wanted to start up my own startup here at Hubli. So can you connect with the local official, sir?
I have already opened 2 branches are there. Can you share your number? I will give your number to my people.
Yes, please. 94484 944 82 97
97. Yes.
974.
9448. Yes, there is only some problem with the non-8.
Mr. Baswaraj Reddy, please send us all the contacts details on the chat, and we will pass it on to SBI.
Yeah, it is there on chat screen, sir.
Yeah, we will pass it on to the SBI.
Please pass it on.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, very good evening. My name is Balasubramani.
Balasubramani, tell me.
Sir, I stay in Bangalore only. I have started my agarbatti business just 2 months back.
Okay.
I have bought the machines from Surat. So basically, I tried applying for loans in other banks. I never tried SBI, and I don't have any account in SBI also. So if I just managed to get some money from some of my friends and myself, and I started this. Now, if I want to go for the loan, can I?
Yes, you can. You can. So again, give your number. We will approach you and see whatever the papers, what are the things are there, and.
Sure, sir. My name is Balasubramani. My number will be 99.
Yes.
866 32 426. It's 99866 32426. And I also am planning to transfer my home loan from Karnataka Bank to SBI.
Very good. Our people will approach you and see what can we do.
So we have an existing loan of 75 lakhs. So I just am planning to transfer it and take on some additional loan. If I can get this business loan, that's well and good. Or else I can go for this mortgage loan only.
We will approach you. And,
Sir, Mr. Prasanna is asking.
Thank you very much, sir.
Mr. Prasanna is asking a question, sir. Is the OD limit interest of 7.2 is fixed or variable rate?
Is it fixed?
Sir, but in the branch they are communicated that it is 7.4% variable for 12 months.
No, which branch?
That was earlier instruction, sir.
It
Now
is
the revised
SME Jayanagar.
5% fixed.
7.2 by Prasanna ji, otherwise I will talk to your.
Okay, sir. Okay.
The floor is open. Please go ahead and ask the questions.
Sir, good evening. My name is Mohan.
Okay, Mohan ji.
Sir, actually, I was asking for a question that the CC account, that the interest was not debited in the month of March. What will be the next step, sir? When you are going to debit and any extra charges going to debit? Any clarity, sir?
Your interest will not be debited on 31st May or debited. It is accrued in your account on by 31st May up to 31st May as per the RBI guidelines, and it will be debited on 31st May.
Hello. Any extra charges will be there for that one also?
Only interest.
Only interest part. Okay.
Hello.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Hello, sir.
Please go ahead.
Good afternoon, sir. See, I have a working capital facility as well as a term loan facilities in SBI. My term loan EMI has been deducted on 5th March of 2020. But whereas the interest part of the working capital is not deducted. One is deducted, another is not deducted. Can I know the reason? Is there any requisite to be given for that?
Term loan is because 5th March it is before the inspection comes deducted. But if you want the refund and your installment due on 5th March, from before the 1st March, you have to pay. If it is after 1st March, then you have email to our branch, we will refund this now.
No, if I don't, but what about the working capital interest? They are not deducted. That is the last.
They will not be charged to the account till 31st May.
Oh, thank you.
Sir, I have one question to be answered, sir.
But we will recover after 31st March. This amount also is accrued in your account and taken, and after 31st March, this interest will be recovered.
Oh.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Sir, I have a CGTMSE loan of around 1 crore in one of the branches. I want to know whether the monthly installment of the interest part, can we take it for moratorium for 3 months? Can it be taken?
We already applied. We are not charging any rate of interest.
Okay, it's already applied already.
No cash credit account, we are charging rate of interest from the account. This is accrued.
But for March, it was already taken, sir. That is the reason I'm asking.
No. I think if it is wrongly taken, just send an email, we will refund to you. But as per our backend, we have no interest charge on any cash credit account. If something is going wrong, we will refund.
Sir, in
So
your
this
presentation,
amount will be taken after the June, or it is totally nullified?
No. You have to pay in the month of June.
June. Okay. Thank you.
Sir, this Ramesh here, in your presentation, you have mentioned digitized process to reduce TAT for finance. What is that, sir?
Yeah, actually, what we have done, many products, what we are doing earlier, you are submit the papers, submit the bank papers, and then we have to reassess it there. Then we take time, we visit there, manually calculate there. Now, GST, suppose you have the GST return, you have the income tax return, and where one product is CLP, contactless platform, where you just 59 minutes you fill all the details, automatically GST data, income tax return data come to our digital platform, and within 7 days you disburse the loan, and 59 minutes will get. So that we have your tax will do only 7 days. Earlier it will take 15 days or something. 30 days. It is applicable up to 5 crore limits. We are working on the smaller loan also.
Okay.
Actually, before this COVID, we are working on that because a lot of IT required is that we are working on that.
There is a question from Ms. Shubha. She says they have a startup that is in the bootstrap mode for the past 4 years. We are into deep tech and it has taken this long to develop our product. We started our sales this year and we are looking for good sales this year. But now we are hit with COVID issues. Can we apply for CGT SME,
Just
non-collateral.
you can apply. Give our number to me. We will approach them, and where the place of their our branch people will contact them. Please send. Okay.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, please go
yes,
ahead.
madam.
Yeah. Hi. Hello, sir. This is Shubha. Thank you for taking my question. So my phone number is 8861 284853, and my name is Shubha, sir. And so wanted to know what is the what do you look for before giving a CGT SME loan in these times? So we have been bootstrapped. We have managed this far. We did not want to raise a loan. We wanted to stand on our own legs. And
You are already working. You are some sales is there in your books. GST return you are filing.
We had one sale in February and COVID hit us, sir. So we have a PO. That's about it.
This webinar because face-to-face I have to discuss it in detail. So share your number. You already share your number. We will contact you and in detail we will discuss how we will help. Because in this BC SM is not 1 or 2 minutes to decide things. Stand Up India, many products here. So we will discuss you and give you the loans.
Thank you so much. Look forward to your call, sir. Again, my phone number, I just want to reiterate, is 8861 284853, and my name is Shubha. Thank you for taking my call.
You are from Bangalore itself or outside Bangalore?
In Bangalore, sir. Bangalore North.
My people will contact you and let you know the detail.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Any more
So
questions?
my name is Srinivasan, Vice President Laghu Udyog Bharati. And can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, Srinivasan. Yeah.
Sir, a couple of years back, we had done a hand-holding session for many of our entrepreneurs, particularly women entrepreneurs, for giving them the facility for giving them the loan. And this program was conducted jointly between Laghu Udyog Bharati, State Bank of India, Dun & Bradstreet, and GIZ. We need to do many programs because a lot of our entrepreneurs are, particularly startups, are not even getting, let alone 1 lakh rupees. They're not even getting 10,000 rupees from any bank. Many startups are facing this problem. Many women entrepreneurs are facing problem, and more so over in the rural areas. So I want SBI to take this up with our Laghu Udyog Bharati support to see that we conduct programs on a regular basis across the state of Karnataka.
We are ready. Srinivasan, we are ready. I think you are holding some program in the month of March itself or April because of this result effort. We are always ready to support Laghu Udyog Bharati or any entrepreneur. And after this problem solved, because now only webinar we can arrange because large gathering can't be arranged. So after this normalization, we arrange across the Karnataka. I'm ready for that.
Yes, sir. You need to come up with some special schemes for startup and women entrepreneurs.
Yes, we have many schemes. We will discuss with Srinivasan.
Yes, sir. So please help them also so that they can also come into the category of industry and they can give gainful employment. Thank you very much for the wonderful presentation today.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Any more questions?
I truly appreciate the SBI and SBI team, especially during the period coming forward to help the MSMEs. I just salute you and thank you, sir. But I have one question also. Now, to avail this COVID-19 facility, the bankers are asking me to come and meet them personally in their banker, but we are not able to move out of the house. What's your opinion, sir, on that? How do we go out and get that facility?
You have just simply applied through email where they process the loan and do all the sanction, and after that they contact you because of the documentation required as per the law. You just once you have to come to the branch only for the documentation. Otherwise, you need not to go for this.
So visiting to the bank, how do we get a pause? Whether can we get pause from the bankers?
Only for the documentation part.
Okay.
Only for the documentation part. For application, you can send but through email.
Right.
Can
Okay,
I ask a
thank
question, please? Hello?
Any other questions, please?
Yeah, can I ask a question? I'm Madhav
Please go
from
ahead.
Dharwad.
Please go ahead.
Yeah, sir. My name is Madhav Paste, and my number is 99860 440 99860 44047, and I'm from Dharwad. See, I have an OD account with Vijaya Bank. So if I get a good facility and so that I can shift it to SBI, can you arrange for a call back?
Yes, certainly. My people from Dharwad, we have a specialized branches there. My people will contact you and they will do.
Kindly, sir. Kindly do that. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Any more questions?
Sir, this is Kumar here.
Please go ahead, sir.
So just I want to make sure how to apply for this CGT MSA loan. I'm from based out of Bangalore. So please
There are
guide
two
me on
things
this.
are there. For the CGTSB loan, you can, if your GST returns are there, income tax returns are there, then you can apply it online. You do not need to go to any branch. So there is a PSB for 59 is CLP platform is there. You can approach from that. And where auto engine there, 59 your eligibility and principle of is there. And within 7 days, also maybe take more time because my people have to visit your place also. Within 7-10 days, you will get that. Other than if you are not GST returns and income tax return, then you have to submit the paper to the branch. Give me your phone number, my TV contact.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Go ahead and ask the question, please.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, please go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah,
please go ahead.
Just want to know, can you get me the details of SBI home loan branch at Pune?
Pune, just give me your number because Pune is not coming to the state of Karnataka. I will find out the number there and pass on.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So there is a question from Mr. Nanda Kishore. Can we get a loan on already bought new equipment? We bought it by raising some unsecured hand loans. Now we would like to consolidate and get a term loan.
If you purchase machinery within 6 months, we can finance it. Otherwise, many things are there, working capital or other things they can approach us. So give me the details for Mr. Nandkishore. We will approach them and do the new.
Okay. Any other questions from the participants, or can we close the session? Mr. Narayan Prasanna?
Yes, I think Shekhar, we can
close.
Hi, sir. It was very wonderful presentation by you and your team. And in between, CGM Abhijit Mujamdar sir also has come and addressed some of the queries. Thank you very much, sir. On behalf of Laghu Udyog Bharati, we thank State Bank of India team. We look forward with the more presentations and programs as our Vice President Srinivasan sir told.
Certainly, we are also looking forward.
Thank you.
For the many programs there. State Bank of India is always ready for the support to MSME, particularly when they are facing the problem. State Bank of India always for the problem we are here. For any crisis, State Bank of India is there. Now, I should not say this platform. Only now we are for the. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Some of our members directly they may contact you and their respective branches.
Please, kindly
share the numbers of those who have
question and so that we can
ask them to send mails.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thanks a lot. Thank you very much to all of you. For participants, tomorrow we have a session on intellectual property and patents. This will be addressed by Srimati Pallavi Joshi. She's an expert on IPRs. See you tomorrow. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.
ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಶೇಖರ್, ಇನ್ನ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅದು ಚಾಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ chat.
ಓಕೆ 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 ರೈಟ್.
ಅದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.